Hey everyone, let me ask you something. Have you ever thought about creating a mobile app for your business or brand, but felt overwhelmed by the costs, time, or technical skills required? Well, what if I told you that you could build a fully functional Android or iOS app in just minutes without writing a single line of code? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. Meet AppMySite, the no-code app builder that makes app development as easy as drag, drop, and publish. AppMySite is a powerful no-code app builder that lets you design, develop, and launch mobile apps in no time. Whether you're an e-commerce store owner, a blogger, a marketing agency, or just someone with a great idea, this platform has everything you need to bring your vision to life. With seamless integrations for WordPress, WooCommerce, Facebook, and live chat, you can sync your website's content and features directly into your app for a smooth, hassle-free experience. Let's take a quick look at how easy it is to build an app with AppMySite. Fully customizable designs. With the built-in artwork creator, you can design stunning home screens, menus, and layouts with custom fonts, colors, and graphics. Your app will look and feel exactly how you want it to. Website to app conversion. Got a WordPress or WooCommerce website? Simply connect it, and AppMySite will automatically pull your site's layout and content into the app, ensuring a seamless brand experience. Real-time previews. You can see exactly how your app looks and functions before publishing. No surprises, just a smooth, user-friendly experience. One-click publishing. Once your app is ready, you can instantly publish it to the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. No complicated steps, no headaches. Building an app shouldn't be complicated, and with AppMySite, it isn't. Whether you're a small business, a blogger, or a creative entrepreneur, this platform gives you all the tools you need to bring your app idea to life without breaking the bank or hiring developers. So why wait months or spend thousands on app development? Get started with AppMySite today and launch your dream app in just minutes. Hit the link in the description to grab lifetime access. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech tools and tips. See you in the next one.